how you can add Claude AI browser version to your dock on macOS, so you don't have to install Claude AI app. So what we're gonna do, we want to open the Claude AI in Safari web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account, and next we want to navigate to our menu bar and simply go to File. Make sure here is Safari and go to File and navigate again to Add to Dock. This little window will appear. Now you can name it like you want, and the URL address is gonna be here, the default Claude.ai. This is the logo of the app, which should be in your dock, and click on Add. So here was added my new icon to my dock. If I click this, the browser version gonna be opened, and as you can see here, I got the app. So you can have the browser version and app at the same time in your dock on Mac. So if I run this icon, it's gonna run the Claude AI, and you don't have to install it, you don't have to open it in your browser. It's simply as that. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.